Yoshi and purple Yoshi? Who knows? So everyone's here. Say something. Alright, I'm here. Shumi's here. Humph, here. Yellow Yoshi's here. I'm here. Purple Yoshi's here. I'm not here. Red Yoshi's here. Okay, that's everybody. Aha! Let's go! So which way now? Aha! Luigi, why are you here? I want to fight Bowser a second time. You already fought Bowser? What happened? So I went through a pipe and walked around the direction, and then I found Bowser, and Bowser said, "Why are you here?" And I said, "I don't know." And then he said, "Blah blah 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 and then Bowser knocked me out of that pipe you went through. Are you all listening? What? Oh, yeah, I was. So can I come with you? I don't see why not, but why are you big? I got a mushroom. A mushroom? What was his name? Shumi Doodah or something? Never heard of him. Let's go. Okie dokie, let's go. That's my job. Mamma mia. Didn't Bowser climb up here or something? I think so. Let's go. You forgot that. Ah. I remember this place. And look, there's the pipe. Let's go in. Yeah. I definitely remember this place. Huh? Hey, there are two paths to go down. I fell through right, so let's go left. Okie dokie.